Good morning, I'm Pauline Verzosa, and here are the latest stories at this hour. The death toll from the magnitude 7.8 earthquake that struck parts of Mindanao has now climbed to 37, according to the Office of Civil Defense. Data released as of 6 a.m. today on June 9 showed that 456 individuals were injured while 4 remain missing. The earthquake has affected around 17,600 families across the region. Authorities continue to monitor the situation and provide assistance to affected communities. The Department of Science and Technology is backing a homegrown innovation designed to give Filipino clinicians hands-on training in ultrasound-guided procedures before they treat actual patients. Mobile journalist Denise Valdez-Sancho has this report.
A simple medical procedure can make a big difference in a patient's recovery. But for doctors, mastering ultrasound-guided procedures requires precision, skill, and extensive training. To help Filipino clinicians gain that expertise, the Department of Science and Technology, through the Philippine Council for Health Research and Development, is supporting the development of a locally made phantom model system, a training tool that allows doctors to practice ultrasound-guided procedures before performing them on actual patients.
We wanted to come up with a phantom which we can use for training our fellows in ultrasound, mainly because there has been an increase in the need to perform ultrasound-guided procedures in gynecology.
Unlike traditional training methods that often require doctors to learn directly on patients under supervision, the phantom model serves as a realistic practice platform. Developed using tissue mimicking materials, it recreates the feels and ultrasound appearance of real human tissues, helping clinicians build confidence and improve their skills in a safe environment.
It will allow them to learn from their mistakes as they specialize or as they become expert in doing the process.
The innovation is already being used in the training curriculum of specialists at the University of Philippines Philippine General Hospital, with more than 100 clinicians trained and deployed across different regions. For researchers, the goal goes above technology. It is about improving healthcare access and outcomes for Filipinos. With support from DOST PCHRD, the locally developed phantom model aims to make high-quality medical training more accessible, equipping more Filipino clinicians with the skills they need to deliver safer and better patient care nationwide.
When we say kasi better healthcare, that means to say providing the procedures that is much needed by our patients. It should be accessible and affordable at the same time. We will be able to implement that one only if we have the properly trained healthcare providers.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdez-Sancho, we are One News.
And joining us now is Rombel Catolico, Public Information Officer of General Santos City, to give us the latest on the impact of the magnitude 7.8 earthquake. Sir, thank you for joining us. First of all, ano na po ba ang latest casualty count sa General Santos City?
Good morning, Pauline. As of 6:12 ng umaga kanina, nakatala po tayo ng fatalities na 13 o 13 po ang fatalities or deaths. Ang injured naman po ay 144. Ang missing ay 4.
Sir, kamusta naman po ang search and rescue operations?
Nagpapatuloy pa rin po ang search and rescue operation ng ating mga otoridad.
And sir, doon naman po sa 144 na injured, kamusta po ang kalagayan nila at kamusta na rin po ang sitwasyon sa inyong mga health facilities?
As to 142 injured, ang iba mga naipalabas na rin o naipalabas na rin ng hospital kasi parang outpatient lang na mga ano. And then, sinagot po lahat ng local government unit ang kanilang mga gastusin.
So, kasi sir, nakita po namin sa mga ulat, wala pa rin pong power sa General Santos City. Ganoon pa rin po ba ang sitwasyon dyan?
So, as of this time, kasi kanina lang, mga alas 2 ng madaling araw, bumalik na ang ilaw. Ang iba mga alas 10 na kagabi. Pero mga bandang alas 9 ngayong araw, wala na namang ilaw po sa ibang lugar dito sa Jensen po.
Sir, go ahead.
Opo.
Okay. Sir, base po sa inyong pagtala, ilan po ba ang mga pamilya at barangay na apektado po nitong 7.8 magnitude earthquake?
As to families affected po, 1,836 families po. And nakapagtala rin po ng structural damage na at least 66 na gusali ang merong structural damage. Kaso lang, hindi ko ma-ascertain kung totally collapsed or partially collapsed kasi ngayon pa lang po ginaganap ang assessment na ginagawa ng City Engineering Office at saka ng Office of the Building Official.
Sir, may nararamdaman pa rin po ba ng mga aftershocks dyan sa Gensan?
Ang pinakahuli na aftershock na sa akin na naramdaman kagabi parang alas 10 ng gabi. Pero nakapagtala po ng at least 138 or 140 na aftershock kahapon.
At sir, saan po sa Gensan ang may naitalang pinakamalubhang damage matapos ang lindol?
Kung i-assess po natin ang mga barangays na may malibang damage, maaring makonsidera natin ang Talumpang General Santos City, ang Barangay Dajangas North or Barangay Dajangas West kasi doon yung kung saan ang Jollibee na gumuho. And then Barangay Dajangas East kung saan yung chicken house na gumuho.
And sir, ano pong klaseng assistance ang binibigay po ng city government para sa mga naapektuhan nitong lindol?
Of course, hands-on po ang ating City Social Welfare and Development Office under the directive ng ating mayor na si Mayor Lorely Pacquiao at kasalukuyan silang tumutugon sa mga pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayang naapektuhan ng lindol.
Sir, marami po bang residente ang nasa mga evacuation centers pa rin po?
Actually, ang ating mga barangay, nag-ready lang po sila ng open field na may mga evacuation center should there be a need na meron. Pero so far, wala naman pong mga nasa evacuation center.
So, sir, in terms of yung mga pangunahing pangailangan ng mga apektado, ano po ba yung kanilang kailangan ngayon? Tubig po ba? Pagkain? Ano kung kailangan nila ngayon?
Pagkain, tubig po. Pagkain at tubig po. Pero kahit pa paano, naghanda na rin po ang ating City Social Welfare and Development Office po.
Sir, pagdating po doon sa power, nabanggit nyo nga po kaninang umaga, nawalan din po ulit kayo ng kuryente. May balita na po ba kung kailan maaasahan ang full restoration ng supply ng kuryente dyan sa General Santos?
Today, as of this time, wala pa po sinasabi ang ating Socotecco, pero try po namin na maabot sila at matanong po kung kailan nila maibalik ang kuryente.
Sir, pahuli na lamang po, ano po ba ang mensahe nyo sa iba pang mga residente ng General Santos City? Ngayon po na kayo ay sinusubukang bumalik sa normal.
Okay, mga generals, panatilihin natin na maging alerto at panatilihin natin na makakakuha tayo ng importanteng impormasyon sa mga otoridad at magpatuloy tayo sa ating panalangin.
All right, well, thank you very much for those updates. That was Rombel Catolico of General Santos City, PIO. Well, meanwhile, a new immersive exhibit at the Mind Museum in Bonifacio Global City is putting Filipino culture, values, and imagination at the center. Mobile journalist Francis Rivera gives us a look in this report.
Filipino culture and values in one place. The Mind Museum, in partnership with NutriAsia, unveiled its newest immersive and interactive exhibition, Playtales, Reimagining Tomorrows, in BGC last Sunday. The exhibit aims to bring a uniquely Filipino vision of the future to life through thoughtfully designed immersive spaces and interactive storytelling experiences that celebrate Filipino culture, values, and innovation. Visitors can explore a variety of engaging attractions, including the Play Garden, solar-powered sorbetes, Zibo Zone Keychain, Shadow Playhouse, and many more. Meanwhile, Maria Isabel Garcia, Managing Director and Curator of Bonifacio Art Foundation, emphasized the importance of the exhibit especially for children, as it encourages creativity, imagination, and a deeper appreciation of Filipino identity while inspiring future possibilities.
It puts the pivotal role of imagination in terms of shape-shifting our futures na may S. Kasi nothing starts without imagination. Walang nangyayari kung hindi natin ini-imagine muna.
By celebrating Filipino culture in an interactive setting, the exhibit helps children strengthen their imagination and curiosity. Rather than spending most of their time on gadgets, children are given the chance to explore, create, and learn through interactive and real-world experiences.
Anything that has been validated to be real and generative when it comes to learning are all there, and you can learn from each other. Technology is important, but nothing can take the place of cooperation, I think. Iba pag lived experience. Kasi you pass that on, di ba, the values. Nothing takes the place of imagining and creating for yourself.
NutriAsia's senior marketing manager said the exhibit is designed to reflect the story of the typical Filipino household and dining table, while helping children learn and appreciate Filipino values at an early age.
In NutriAsia, we believe that the foundations of a family, of a society, is really through shared meals. It's very important for us that we actually instill the values through food, through interaction within the family. In bata pa lang, we're actually teaching them on how to move around the kitchen, how to shop, how to appreciate food.
Don't miss Playtales, Imagining Tomorrows, open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Tuesday to Wednesday for a limited time only.
I'd like to invite everyone to visit itong Playtales exhibit here in the Mind Museum in BGC. It's a remarkable milestone for the Mind Museum Group and also NutriAsia to be able to share this experience to a lot of kids and of course even the parents. So I assure you will enjoy your experience inside the exhibit.
To all of you who are interested to reimagine futures so that we can shape-shift our futures together as Filipinos, that we all are in this together and it is our futures that are at stake. I think you will really enjoy and really have a great learning experience in Playtales.
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal Francis Rivera, we are One News.
Join us again at 1 p.m. for the very latest stories. I'm Pauline Verzosa. Kapatid, we are One News, all sides, all the time.